Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to do something exciting. So I'm going to go through my memory box. Now if you're not familiar with memory box, it is basically a box, of course, in which I keep a lot of little things that I collect throughout my life. Things that are rather memorable to me and I want to keep in one special place. So here it is. Yeah, it is quite big actually, if you want to see. Actually, I can't remember every single thing that I have in this, so going through this memory box will kind of give me flashback moments to years before today. So this should be fun. So let's start. Okay. Wow. Okay, so first we have this card, which was given by one of my close friends. She's married now, but this was given to me when she was about to get married, because clearly this says that she asked me to be one of her bridesmaids, which I was really excited about. This was the first time I was a bridesmaid in someone's wedding. This just instantly brings me back to middle school. This is a note. If you get closer, it's got the Jonas Brothers logo on it, and clearly it says Jonas Brothers all over the place. Here too, and the picture, oh my god. So you can clearly tell that I was a huge fan of Jonas Brothers. Now, similar to that, I have another notebook. Back then, all I did was drawing and random silly jokes notes that I always passed to my friend who was sitting next to me or behind me or in front of me. You know, those notes. This is so embarrassing. We used to make comics of us and Hollywood idols that we used to go crazy about, like Selena Gomez and Jonas Brothers, Hannah Montana, stuff like that. It was all I watched back then. Oh my god, I literally drew Justin Bieber. I don't know what's happening with his body. He doesn't even have fingers or toes or shoes. This is the only time in my life that I can pull off that short fringe. Another picture. Oh, this was me and my cousins from my biological dad's side. I keep plane tickets in this box. I don't know if you can understand what it says because it's in German, but this is a calendar of 2016, as you can probably see, and this was given to me on the year before, so 2015, from my best friend Mario, who lives in Germany, but at the time he was here. I just could not throw these away. These all filled with kitten pictures. I will insert the clip right now for you to see because I think everyone deserves to see this cuteness. This is the card that I keep when I intern in a fashion magazine, Harper's Bazaar Indonesia. So I'm just gonna keep it because it's my first job ever. Still in that intern thing, I keep this, which is the receipt of my first ever paycheck. So these are birthday notes, cards from my friends. I have a bunch of notes that I get from students that I taught in a village, not just me. This was from a project in my university. They sent us all in groups. One group contained of around maybe 25 people, and we went to a deep village and lived there together for a month. And it's like a community service. The children gave some of us some notes, and I got quite a few notes here, mostly saying thank you for taking photos of us, because I used to be in charge of documentation. I bring my camera, this camera right here. 2 receipts. This is from a hostel in Singapore, and this is from a hotel in Kuala Lumpur. This is very special that I get to travel for the first time out of the country with one of my best friends. I have another bundle of notes from my friends to me when I did my final presentation of my thesis. This is my diary when I was in 6th grade. Along with this notebook, I bought like a colorful shimmery pens that have some really strong scents. You know those pens? I'm just saying about my day. A lot of swearing in this book. Not actual swearing, but like, oh, I'm so annoyed because I used to get annoyed a lot. And look at that, I don't even bother to pick my colorful pens because this is such a bad day. Here I am drawing some angry lines with my black pen, because guess what, I didn't like to write in black, and here I am expressing my feelings with black ink. Alright, now on to the next thing. I have these. These are light sticks that people take in concerts, and I used to be crazy about one Korean group. They're Super Junior, and I went to their concerts twice, 2012 and 2013. Still about the Korean madness. This is a photo card of Donghae from Super Junior. I got this from the Sexy Friend single album that I think I purchased in 2003. Almost through. And then these. This was given by my friend who I haven't seen in 4 years until a couple weeks ago. He lives in Germany because he studies there. I'm just gonna show you because it's sitting here in my desk, on my desk. It's a Solly, and it can kind of do that. It comes with these. It says, "Try me, I hug." He gave that to me along with the book, which something else I kept in this box, which is these. I found this in the book he gave me. It's a receipt. I suppose it's in German. Just says what the book is. Thank you. You gave me something to read. And then the last thing in this box. This wristband that I got from Luna Park in Melbourne. I went to Luna Park along with my housemate, another 2 of his friends from Japan. There were actually a couple, and the 4 of us just spent the day in Luna Park. It was just really good day. It was chilly, it was windy, it was cold, but it was really fun. Alright, so that is all for this video. Thank you so much for watching. I had fun sharing this stuff with you, some sentimental pieces of my past. I hope you have an amazing day. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys again in my next video. Bye!